Good morning children, Sai Ram. Welcome you all in this science video in which we are having our biology session, and I am taking your chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. Children, in the previous video we have discussed about the cell, discovery of cell, eukaryotic, prokaryotic cells, and about the osmosis and different types of hypotonic, isotonic solutions. Now in this video we will discuss about the parts of cell which are known as organelles. So let's start with the chapters and new topics. Now we are discussing about nucleus. Nucleus is large, centrally located spherical component of cell. It is bounded by nuclear membrane. Children, bounded by nuclear membrane means if we are saying this is our nucleus, it is having an outer covering. This outer covering is known as nuclear membrane. Okay. Now next is nucleus. Here you can see the diagram of nucleus. The job, here it is written like job means its function. It controls the cell activity, and inside this nucleus we are having chromatin which are long strands of DNA. It holds information to make proteins, and inside this nucleus we are having a small circular part that is known as nucleolus. It is having ribosomes. It makes ribosomes. So here I have written what nucleus is having. It contains thread-like structures which are known as chromosomes, and which contain genetic substances. Children, chromosomes and chromatin, these two words you can use here, and it contains genetic substances like DNA and proteins. Nucleus also contains ribosomes, and these ribosomes are helpful in protein synthesis. They make protein for the body. The envelope of nucleus membranes are known as endoplasmic reticulum, and these endoplasmic reticulums are of two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Children, in shortcut, endoplasmic reticulum can be known as ER. Now the functions of nucleus: it controls all metabolic activities of the cell, it regulates the cell cycle, it transmits the hereditary traits, or hereditary traits means the characteristics from parents to offspring. Now next is cytoplasm. It's a fluid. Cytoplasm is the fluid which is between plasma membrane and nuclear membrane. Here you can see the diagram of cytoplasm. It's a jelly-like material, and it helps in the movement of cell parts or cell organelles. You can see here it's the jelly-like material inside the cell. It contains all the organelles which float within. These organelles you can see here. What is the function of cytoplasm actually? It acts as a store for amino acids, glucose, vitamins and ions. Children, amino acids, these are also known as proteins. Okay, it helps in the movement of the cell organelles. Cell organelles, it means the parts of cell. Here I have written here cell organelles. Cell organelles means organelles means the parts of cell. Organelles means the parts of cell. As we are having different parts in our body like hand, nose, in the same way cell is also having different parts which are known as organelles. Here you can see how many organelles a cell can contain. It has the main organelles of cell are nucleus, cell membrane, mitochondria, ribosome, lysosomes, chloroplast, chromosomes, cytoplasm, ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, vacuole and cell wall. So we will discuss about all these organelles. So first I am starting with cell wall, the outermost covering of cell. Cell wall is the outermost covering of a cell. It lies outside the plasma membrane and it is composed of cellulose. What are the functions of cell wall? It provides protection to the cell. It provides mechanical and structural strength to cell. Now children, next organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. It's a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. It is of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is RER, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is SER. Here you can see the picture of endoplasmic reticulum. It is the envelope part of this nucleus. Outside the nucleus it is, and this is known as endoplasmic reticulum. And here you can see the outer covering which you are seeing here. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and inside it we are having smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. It has ribosomes, which are the sites of protein synthesis. It means where photosynthesis process occurs. SER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is without ribosomes and help in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids. Now the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. It forms supporting skeletal framework for the cell and it acts as channel for the transport of materials. It also helps in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. Now our next organelle is Golgi apparatus. It consists of system of membrane bound vesicles which are arranged in stacks. Stacks means the layer type of. These membranes have connections with ER membranes or endoplasmic reticulum. The function of Golgi apparatus is it helps in the storage, modification and packaging of cellular secretion. It also helps in the formation of lysosomes. Here you can see the picture of Golgi body. In cell it is present here. It is present here, and if you are seeing the correct structure of this Golgi body, you can find it here. This is the structure of Golgi body. Next organelle is lysosomes. These are the tiny spherical sacs found in cytoplasm. These are the waste. Children, look here. If this waste spelling is written wrongly, it is actually waste. T is written wrong. These are the waste disposal system of the cell. They contain powerful enzymes which help in digestion. The function of lysosomes. It removes the worn out and poorly working cell organelles. It helps to keep the cell clean by digesting the foreign material. It helps, foreign material means any kind of bacteria, virus, okay. It helps to break down all organic materials. Now children, if you are having topic lysosomes, one important question is asked in exams: why lysosomes are called the suicidal bags? So I am telling you the answer also. Because during the breakdown of cell structure, when the cells get damaged, it may burst, and the enzymes which are present in the lysosome, they eat up their own cell. That's why it is known as the suicidal bag. You can see here, this is the picture of lysosome. In cell, lysosomes look like this. It looks like this. This is lysosomes actually. Now I am giving you home assignment. Question number 1, in the structural unit of life. Question number 2, what is the function of cell? You can find out all these answers from the video. Third question is, why lysosomes are called the suicidal bags? Number 4, name the two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Number 5 is, name the thread-like structures present in nucleus. So children, when you are writing the notes of this chapter, you have to draw the diagram also, the related diagram also. So do your work neatly with diagrams. Okay, thank you, Sairam.